Good morning, my dear children. Hope you all are doing hale and hearty and taking care of yourself in all aspects. Now, today, here we are with a new chapter which is known as Retirement of a Partner. Recently, we have finished and completed the chapter Admission of a Partner, which comes under Reconstitution of Partnership Firm. Similarly, this chapter Retirement of a Partner also comes under the topic Reconstitution of a Partnership Firm. This was taught to you long back. I hope you remember. Once again, let's revise what is the meaning of Reconstitution of Partnership Firm. Partnership is the result of an agreement, and any change in the agreement or relation of partners will result in the reconstitution of the partnership firm. It means new agreement will take place, and this new agreement defines the relationship of the partners. Whenever there is change in agreement, the business will continue, but the relationship among the partners changes. And this is what we have seen in the previous chapter, Admission of a Partner. These are the 5 examples or 5 states in which we can say that there is a reconstitution of partnership firm already discussed by us in previous chapter. Change in profit sharing ratio, admission of a partner, retirement of a partner, death of a partner, and amalgamation of two partnership firms. Children, this is an important area of theory question in examination, so please take this as a very important topic. Now we move ahead with the chapter Retirement of a Partner. So the first question which arises is, what is the meaning of this word retirement of a partner? In simple words, I'd like to tell you that when there is an existing partnership firm being run by 2, 3 or more partners, and one of the partner or more than one partners, they decide to quit the business. They decide to leave the business and cease themselves from being continuing as the partners. That is a stage when we call it as retirement of a partner. So here it goes, a partner may wish to withdraw from a firm, that means partnership firm, for various reasons like old age, change of residence, on health grounds, there may be misunderstanding with the other partners, or any other reason. Such a situation when a partner ceases to be a partner in a partnership firm, it is called retirement of a partner. So it means to leave or quit the partnership firm. Any such type of partner is known as retiring partner. Further, a partner retire either, number 1, with the consent of all the other partners, number 2, as per the terms of agreement in the partnership deed, number 3, where the partnership is at will by notice in writing to all the other partners of his intention to retire, which means if a partner has made up his mind to retire or quit the business, he has to serve a notice in writing to all the other continuing partners of his intention to retire. Hope this is clear. Now, since retirement of a partner also comes under reconstitution of partnership firm, where the old partnership agreement ceases to continue and it is replaced by a new one. Therefore, the retirement of a partner also qualifies for all those accounting steps which we have already learned in chapter Admission of a Partner. And this is important from accounting point of view. So what is step 1? Change in profit sharing ratio. Step 2, accounting treatment of goodwill. Step 3, revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities. Step 4, partner's capital account and its adjustments. Step 5, cash or bank account as per the need in the question. And last step, reconstituted balance sheet of the new firm is prepared. Exactly the same steps which we have learned very thoroughly in the chapter admission of a partner. And I'm hopeful that you remember these steps from the previous chapter. Having seen these 6 steps, let's move into step 1, change in profit sharing ratio. Now children, you must understand the basic difference between this two chapter, admission of a partner and retirement of a partner. In admission of a partner, there were already partners doing business and a decision was taken to take a new partner. Whereas in retirement of a partner, there is already partners doing business in an existing partnership firm, and one partner is deciding to quit the partnership business. So again we have the role of old ratio and new ratio. Now let's see what it says. The existing partners may agree to share profits and losses in a ratio that is different from the earlier agreed profit sharing ratio, which means the old ratio. Such a change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners results in reconstitution of the firm. So there is an old ratio. It is the ratio in which old partners agreed to distribute their share of profit when they were partners. Then when a partner retires or leaves the business, there is a new ratio. It is the ratio in which all the partners, including new or incoming partner, will share future profit and losses of the firm. And gaining ratio is the new concept in this chapter, retirement of a partner. Unlike sacrificing ratio in the previous chapter, admission of a partner. So what is this? It is the ratio in which one or more partners gain the share of profit by one or more partners of the firm. And the formula for gaining ratio goes, gaining ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. So what is different from the previous chapter is sacrificing ratio being replaced by a gaining ratio at the time of retirement of a partner. Now this new profit sharing ratio, when we are doing this chapter retirement of a partner, it is on retirement of a partner, it is the ratio in which the remaining or continuing partners will share future profits and losses. Children, if we have 3 partners A, B and C, and it is decided that B is quitting the business or he is retiring from the firm, then the remaining 2 partners A and C who will continue in the business will be known as continuing partners, whereas the partner B will be known as retiring partner. So now the new share of continuing partner, that means A and C, will be equal to their old profit share plus the share of profit which they are acquiring from the retiring partner. So A and C will acquire the share in their profit in the share of the retiring partner B. So that will be added with their old profit share to get the new share of the continuing partners A and C. Let's move with the further topic. This will be pretty clear when you do the questions. So here are the questions in which you will be able to apply this concept of old profit sharing ratio, new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. So let's see this illustration. A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio 1 by 2, 2 by 5 and 1 by 10. So you will use these share of the 3 partners to make the denominator equal and arrive at ratio. Find the new profit sharing ratio of the remaining partners if A retires Point number B, if B retires, and point number C, if C retires. So how will you approach this? Let's say we will take the calculation of the share of ABC by taking LCM, and we arrive at a ratio, and this is 5:4:1, which is their old profit sharing ratio. Now we move with first case, if A retires. If A retires, then simply you have to remove the share of A 5, and we will be left with 4:1. This 4:1 will become the new share of partner B and C if A retires. So here it is, if A retires, new profit sharing ratio between B and C is 4:1. You simply remove the share of the retiring partner. Clear? Now in case B, if B retires, then we remove B's share, which is 4. So we will be left with 5:1. So the new profit sharing ratio between A and C is 5:1. Clear? And in case C retires, then we remove this share 1 and we'll be left with 5:4. So if C retires, new profit sharing ratio between A and B is 5:4. Clear? With the help of this new share of the three partners in three different cases, of the two partners in three different cases, which are the continuing partners, and their old profit sharing ratio, which is 5:4:1, we can apply the formula for gaining ratio, which will be equal to new ratio minus old ratio. Is this clear? When you start doing it, then with practice you will understand it better. Here is another example which says A, B, C are sharing profit and losses in the ratio 5:3:2. So this is their old profit sharing ratio. B retires and his profit share, that means 3/10 share of B, is taken by A and C in the ratio 2:1. This is the gain of the other two partners A and C, and they're saying calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So from this old ratio, we know that share of the retiring partner B is 3/10, and this is gained by the other two partners in the ratio 2:1. So here is the calculation. Profit share taken by A out of B's profit share is equal to 3/10 into 2/3. Where is 2/3 coming from? Here. So which is equal to 2/10. So this is taken by the partner A from retiring partner B's share. So A's new profit share will be equal to old profit share plus his gain. Old share is 5/10 and the gain is coming from here 2/10, so which is equal to 7/10. Similarly, profit share taken by C out of B's share is equal to 3/10, that is share of B, multiplied by 1/3, which is equal to 1/10. And his new profit share will be equal to old profit share plus his gain, 2/10 plus 1/10, which is equal to 3/10. Therefore, the new profit sharing ratio of continuing partners A and C will be equal to 7/10 is to 3/10, which is equal to 7:3. This is their new profit sharing ratio in the new firm. And today's discussion we end here. This is the first accounting step which you have to practice from your book. There are a lot of questions in examples given for ratios, and also number of questions are given in the exercise. So my today's work is you have to practice. First revise this entire video, read it from the book, then practice the questions for ratios where you will be calculating mostly new profit sharing ratio as well as the gaining ratio. I hope this simple step is understood by you because you have already completed a lengthy chapter, admission of a partner. And with the same concept, apply it here, practice these questions so that in the next class we will move ahead with the next accounting step and we will see the application of gaining ratio in the next accounting step, which is known as accounting treatment of goodwill. So very sincerely practice this part, and we will meet in the next class. Hope this is understood. With this hope that you are going to practice it nicely, let's end our today's class. God bless you all. Take care and be safe at home. Thank you.